Claude Code 2.1.49 just shipped. 24 changes in one drop. Memory leaks eliminated. Windows shell fixed. 7 brand new features. And Sonnet 4.6 arrives. One command, Claude update. Claude Code Video 2.1.49. 13 bugs fixed, 7 new features, 4 improvements, 24 total changes. The biggest wins: memory that no longer balloons during long sessions, Windows shell compatibility restored, and a model upgrade to Sonnet 4.6. 3 memory and stability fixes land together. Unbounded WebAssembly memory growth during long sessions gone. Stale Yoga layout references causing rendering glitches cleaned up. And cumulative memory growth from Yoga's linear memory model in long-running sessions fixed. Run Claude Code all day without watching your RAM climb to the ceiling. 2 critical Windows fixes. First, terminal rendering bugs from Windows carriage return line endings eliminated. Every line now displays clean. Second, bash tool output that silently disappeared in MSYS2 and Cygwin shells, now captured and returned. If you've been debugging phantom output on Windows, the fix is here. 3 quality of life fixes. Ctrl-C and Escape were silently swallowed when background agents ran. Now they interrupt immediately. The session resume picker showed raw XML tags for sessions starting with commands. Now clean, readable titles. And verbose mode's thinking blocks update correctly when you toggle via /config. Small fixes, big relief. 7 new features ship at once. Simple mode now includes the file edit tool. 1 less reason to switch modes. Permission suggestions appear when safety checks trigger, showing you exactly why. The config change hook lets enterprises audit every setting change in real time. The new chat new line key binding adds configurable multi-line input. And added dials is now tracked in the workspace status line. 4 improvements you'll feel immediately. MCP servers now cache authentication failures. Startup is faster on repeated connections. HTTP calls are batched during startup to cut round trips. Permission prompts now explain exactly why a restriction applies. And max plan users. Sonnet 4.6 with 1 million context replaces 4.5. Did update via /model. 24 changes. 1 command. Run Claude update and you've got it all. If you want every Claude Code release broken down like this, hit subscribe. New drops every week.